Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to restore your timeline in Premiere Pro if it goes missing. This can happen if you accidentally press Ctrl+W too many times, which closes your windows. Let's get started. First, if you've pressed Ctrl+W and closed your windows, don't worry. The solution is simple. Go to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down, select Workspaces. Now, you need to reset this workspace to its original layout. Click on Reset to Saved Layout. At this point, most of your windows will be restored, but the timeline might still be missing. To bring back the timeline, you need to find your sequence. In the Project panel, you can switch between the Icon view and the List view. For this tutorial, we'll use the List view. In the List view, look for the sequence that has horizontal lines in its icon. Double-click on that sequence. And there you go, your timeline is restored. That's all you need to do to get your timeline back in Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.